How to add coupons or valid promo code on Shein. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pivan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add coupons on Shein. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to add coupons on Shein, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Shein. First things first, you want to go ahead and select the item that you wish to purchase and add it to your cart. Once you have added to your cart, you can head over to your cart and then proceed to checkout once you select the item you wish to purchase. Now it's asking me for shipping address. Once you enter in your shipping address, it'll ask you to enter in your payment details. There, if you scroll down below, you should be able to find the option that says promo code, and under it you'll find a box where you'll be able to enter in your promo code. There you'll be able to add in your valid promo code or coupon, and you'll be able to make the purchase using it. So this way you can add coupon on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.